I am so jacked about my latest thrift store haul. I just got home and I'm so excited. I'm avoiding my bookkeeping and I'm going to share with you. Sorry, Mom, I promise I'll do my bookkeeping right after this. Before I get into it, if you're watching this live and you're local, make sure you head down to the thrift store because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it is half price on any items with the color red on them for Valentine's Day. I just got to tell you guys now because you don't want to miss out on that. Hey, it's Jackie from So Bright Creations. I love sharing my creative life with you, DIYs, crafts, thrifting, all the things. Okay, one more thing, and then I'm going to get into this epic thrift haul. Honestly, you guys, it was so good. I'm just so pumped about it because sometimes you go and it's not very good, but today it was good. I was going to share a video this week about how to sell things. I actually haven't been doing a lot of thrifting this year yet. I've really been focusing on selling things and decluttering, so I was going to share that with you, but I just have to share this because it's so good. So stay tuned for the video on how to sell things, which hopefully will be my next video. First, let's go shopping. I was really excited to find this backpack. It's similar to the one that I have. If you're local, go get it. It was a really good deal. I think these Ariat boots were size 5. They were $10. Definitely worn, but definitely lots of life left. I thought this was also a good deal. I didn't buy them. This old Tupperware box of embroidery supplies and thread was $2.50, and I thought the cloth part was a good deal because that stuff's expensive. I just bought some, but I didn't need any more, so I left it. I actually didn't buy anything from the craft section this time. I was really careful on what I took home today because I have tried to declutter my house. These plates caught my eye. I thought they would be really good for camping. This crystal egg is so beautiful. I almost bought it last time, but I didn't. I'm thinking it would be a really nice candle though for Easter time. Somebody go buy it. It's only $5. I saw a lot of really good deals on clothes this time, but after cleaning out my closet, there was no way I was buying any more clothes. This North Face jacket was $8. Really nice, good quality jacket. This Burton jacket was also really nice, $10, size small, really good condition too. First up is this rolling pin. It was $2, but half price because of the red on it. So I got it for $1. It's a beautiful wood rolling pin. I have a collection of rolling pins thanks to my aunt who inspired me because I've always loved seeing hers. Here's the collection I've started. I have it in a thrifted crock and I just really like it. Next up is this merino top. It's for my daughter. It's icebreaker merino wool. It was $3. The lady at the till said she just put it out, so I really lucked out on this one. I got some of these gold picture frames. This was $1 for a local project that I'm doing, and these are the exact ones I was looking for, so although it might not be exciting for you, it is very exciting for me. Kind of went down a rabbit hole with these Hot Wheels. They're not in super good shape, but I was looking on the year to try and figure out. This one says 1975, number 55, made in England. It's in rough shape. I'm going to try cleaning it up. This one here says number 215, and it doesn't have a date on it, but you can tell it's old because it's metal on the bottom. The new ones are all plastic on the bottom. This one here says Speed Shop. On the bottom, it says 1969. This one's made in Malaysia, so I don't think it's as old. This one doesn't look like it was made in 1969 though. Maybe it was. No, this is plastic. Maybe it's a version from 1969. Actually, I think this one was 2017 because it's got plastic on it. We're kind of starting an old collection of Hot Wheels for our little guy. My husband's into it too. It's just kind of fun. The good thing is in this box, but I'm going to show you everything else first. Okay, I got this Yahtzee Junior. It was $2.50, but half price because it has red on it. This is for a home talk project. Stay tuned for that. I got this double sheet for my mom. For them, $2, and it feels like a really nice cotton. It feels like it's barely been washed, actually. This was awesome find. These are North Face snow pants. They're the next size up for my son, so they'll be great for next winter. Such good quality, and they were only $4, maybe $5. Anyways, this was a good find. And this is the mother of all mothers. I've been looking for these, and although it wasn't the exact kind that I wanted, I could not walk past it. I almost did, and then I thought, no, Jackie, You told yourself if you ever see one of these, you will buy it. Okay, here's the lid. It's $10. And here is the bottom. It is Pyrex. If you know, you know. Well, this was $10, but guess what? It's red. So it was half price. It was $5. Deal of the day. I'm starting my collection of all my favorite vintage finds up there. I have some really good ones. I think the Pyrex is perfect. If you love seeing these thrift hauls, let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video on how to sell your pre-loved things, thrift store things, all the great finds that are ready for a new home. I hope you have a creative week ahead.